Today I'm going to go ahead and unbox the cheapest portrait lens for the Micro Four Thirds system. This is made by Yongnuo, and I did buy this with my own money off of eBay. It is a 42.5mm f1.7 autofocus lens for the Micro Four Thirds system. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, it has a manual that I cannot read. Let's see if there is an English version. Otherwise, we'll have to use Google Translate to be able to see what it says. No idea what this is. I'll have to use Google Translate on that later. So using Google Translate, let's see what this says. Product certification, I guess. That's pretty cool. There you go, warranty card. There's nothing else in the box. And here it is. So this is the YN 42.5mm f1.7 M2. It looks like there is no manual control for the aperture. That's fine. It just has the autofocus and manual focus switch on the side, and that is basically it. Now it's time for me to go ahead and slap this on my Panasonic G85 and see what kind of photos and videos that I can get out of it.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
Is that f1.7? f5.6 and f22. And we'll go back to wide open. Here's wide open at 1.7. And at 5.6. And at f22. We'll go back to wide open. And you can see the autofocus really sucks right now. There we go, finally focused. Alright, so here we are at a f1.7. Let's kick this up to 5.86. There we go. And back down to wide open.